Hey y'all, so we're back, and you guys voted on Sunday that you wanted to see a summertime glam. So whenever I think of summer, look, don't mind me, I'm just cleaning up. Back to what I was saying, whenever I think of summer, I think of like bronze, sunsets, hence the sunset eye, reds, golds, like that's what I think of. And this is like certainly not an everyday glam. Like, where are you going, girl? You know, I kind of like that. Hold on. Whew, that took a minute, didn't it? This took me 50 minutes to record. This video's not gonna be 50 minutes long, but this look took me 50 minutes, so enjoy it. So I use a much darker foundation, don't be alarmed. So today I use Full Spectrum, which I actually been wanting to try for a long time. I had just never seen it in stores, and today I looked up on it. Full Spectrum CoverGirl Matte Ambition. It says all day shine free foundation. So this is a part of a new collection that CoverGirl came out with like not too long ago. I want to say like maybe like this fall or winter. The color I got is Deep Golden 2. So as you can see, like this is dark. This is way like, I have my other foundation I usually use here for comparison. Like that's more than a few shades. It's dark. It's dark. Okay. But I like to use a darker foundation. It helps contour. Like I don't have to contour as much, but it feels like it just brings that bronzy. Like I'm not even looking at y'all. I don't know if you've noticed. I'm looking at myself because it's just bringing me all kind of bronzy. Like you got a tan, girl. So anyways, enough of the chit chat. You guys voted. You wanted to see this look, so yeah, just keep watching. came out cute. Like, I like it. This is definitely like, I'm out going to the club, I'm going to somewhere wedding, I'm going to an event. The manicure essentials video is still gonna go up. Again, when I have you guys vote on Instagram, both videos are gonna go up. You're just voting on which one you see first. So don't forget to subscribe, you guys. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you would like to vote on content like this. I also have some other things coming up, some products I'll be trying, maybe an announcement, maybe not, I don't know. Depends how I feel. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.